Hi everybody, Mary here. I just wanted to let you in on this promo that Impact Mailing Club is running right now. Um, to tell you a little bit about it, this is my flyer program that I've been running, and they're doing a promo right now. It ends March the 6th, but if you join at the Ruby level, you will get upgraded to the Sapphire level, and you'll get up to $300 in commissions. The Ruby level costs $250, but you'll get upgraded. So if you join at the Sapphire level, you'll be upgraded to the Diamond, and that is $1,000 in commissions. The Sapphire level is $500 to join. And if you join at the Diamond level, you'll get upgraded to the Double Diamond level. The Double Diamond level is $2,000. $2,000 commissions. This promo does end March the 6th. This, like I said, is a flyer program. You can mail, I usually mail a cover letter with my order form and put those in the envelope and send them. Just send them out to your prospects. And I also have my website here that you can go to and get more information. But if you go to the website, just click on the link here. It will get you started. But here's the order form. So you can join at the Emerald level. It's $100 plus 2 books of stamps. But if you join at this Ruby level, which is $250 and 4 books of stamps, they'll automatically upgrade you to the Sapphire level. If you join at the Sapphire level, they'll automatically upgrade you to the Diamond. If you join at the Diamond, they'll automatically upgrade you to Double Diamond. If you're joining these first 2 levels, you just send the 65 and 1 book of stamps here, the 20 and 1 book of stamps to the box 2, 15 and to box 3. Excuse me. If you're going to join the Sapphire or above, you'll need to email. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get over the flu here. Just email right here. Support at Impact Mailing Club. I'm so sorry. And they'll let you know who to send those payments to. That just keeps everyone, in case someone is not at that level, they'll tell you who you need to send the payments to. You'll also get a welcome kit, and the kits have your personalized letter. You'll get leads and resources. They will verify that the payments were all made before your kit goes out. You become a licensed reseller of Impact Mailing Club's exclusive lead membership program. So that is your product. You'll be able to resell lead packages. And these payments are member to member. So once your name is in box 1, your name will be there. Your sponsor's name is in box 2, which if you join with me would be myself, and then the company. And as different people come in, they'll be sending to you. If they come in at the Emerald, then you'll get $65. But then when they want to upgrade, if they want to upgrade to the higher level, they will pay you the difference to move up to the next level. And that's all there is to it. It's a very simple program. I'm really enjoying it, getting a lot of leads and sales coming through. And the leads with this company, they are tested and fresh, so they're good leads of people who want a home-based business. And you don't get very many back. I haven't so far. But that's about it. If you have any questions or want to know anything else, just click on my website down below. Email me, text me, whatever. Meet me on Facebook. I'll be happy to answer any questions for you. Thanks and have a great day.